Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A viewer or a subscriber left me a message on one of my videos, and he stated that I use the corner radius on oddball shapes like this a lot. Why do I not have a hotkey? Well, maybe I don't use it as much as I think, or you think I do, but here I'm going to make one. So I'm going to go to Tools. Well, first of all, we're going to do the corner radius. So Windows, click one time, 2 times on Dockers, 3 times on corners to get this radius that's going to make it do the radius. So that's 3 clicks of the mouse. Hotkey is not going to be too much, especially in my case. I have so many hotkeys built in that are single digits, but we can make a double digit one. So we're going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, go to Commands and type in corners. And I just happen to know it's this one right here. There's corner radiuses, but this is your up here box. This is your corner. And we're going to type in a new shortcut key. I'm going to go Alt and R. And I'm just going to think of that for radius. And I'm going to sign it. And then I'm going to say OK. So now when I need to open up that Docker, I'm just going to go opposite. Look at that. And I didn't even have to. It put the number I'd already had it set in. And you could change that if that's not what you wanted. You know, you could have it half that size or whatever you want. You don't have to use that. But that's pretty cool to open up a Docker, alternate R, and let me look. And it would really be cool if everything you ever did was a corner radius of a ½ inch or 0.81 or 2 inches. You know, you could just automatically hit that and you wouldn't have to, so it's still set on 2 inches, alternate R, and there it is right there. Now, if you forget what it is, just go to Tools, Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and there's my alternate R. So there's my new hotkey. You know, you could have a hotkey. All these were put in by Corel. You know, all of these. I don't think any of these are mine. But I have some that center items and stuff. So give that a try to make a hotkey. It's that easy. Now, before you're done, go to Tools and Save as Default. Now, I don't want to save it because I've got my nudge factor set on 0.0 something too high, but everything else is good. So I can go to Tools, Save as Default, and have all these checked and hit OK. Now, every time you open up a new page or you close Corel down, you will have that hotkey. Anyway, I hope that helped them and gave them a few ideas. Thank you for watching.